they can close out games given their performance in the previous leg, but right now they are not really looking at the end result. They want to focus more on evaluating and reassessing what went wrong, how they could have done better, and move forward from there. What helps Joshua maintain his physical and mental strength is practicing yoga. He has been an instructor for 5 years now, and it's been a really good combination for him with basketball. It gives him a sense of balance and a clear mind that helps in decision making both on and off the court. Now let's turn things over to the panel.
Thank you, Ira. Ball game underway, tied at 1. NorthPort just showing us what they can do, showing their professionalism. Out ka na nga, medyo mahirap laruin yung ganito, no? Pagka minsan, Coach Ronnie.
This is a unit that always plays hard. Make no mistake about it, they're out to win. Although Meralco is safely in to the quarterfinals, they have to play the way they played yesterday and sustain the level of excellence that they have shown.
At saka napapansin natin throughout the first 2 conferences and maybe even the first 2 legs of this third, Coach Ronnie, iba rin yung nakalaro ka na ng isa bago yung knockout stage. Minsan kasi may kalawang kapag knockout ka agad ang ilalaban mo.
Dalawa lang yan kalawang versus pagod. So mamili ka. But either way, you have to get past the situation that you are in.
NorthPort by 1-1. Heartbreaker yung nangyari dito sa Batang Pier. A sorry loss kontra sa Zamboanga. Not to take anything away from the Valientes. They really worked their tails off for that one. Pero that was a game that NorthPort let slip away.
And that was a game that Zamboanga won for themselves. Kasi that was a match that NorthPort had for the taking. But they stole it away.
Lamang ng 3 dulo, 18-15 bago sila natisod.
And they had to hit big shots, especially in the end.
OT pa, Coach Ronnie.
Oh.
Down low, Marquez stripped away here. The much smaller Batang Pier getting the necessary stops. Lamang sila ng 2. Revilla, the Spitfire, to the cup. Doesn't work. Gonzaga para sa rebound. Parcero giving chase. They dump it down low. It is Marquez who will attack Zamora. Dexter staying patient. Delivers the point.
This is the same type of basketball that Limitless used yesterday laban sa NorthPort. But Zamora does the same and attacks the defense of Tonino Gonzaga.
Uh-oh.
Natalisod sa LA kaya sumobra yung pasa.
It is still NorthPort though by 1, 4-3. We've got, as we've been mentioning, this 1 and 3 more sa ating pool play before we proceed to the knockout stage.
Mid-range conversion coming from Batino on that inside offense execution.
Tabla na ang ating labanan sa 4 puntos. Etong Meralco, ever since the first conference, they basically kept their squad intact. Ang nagiging problema nila, almost always, Coach Ronnie, pagdating sa dulo, injuries.
Tama.
They've been probably the most consistent 3x3 team dito sa PBA. Just couldn't get it done by the championship round. As Webb will miss.
Grabe yung offensive rebound sa LA Revilla, no?
Kahapon pa, no? He's been taking rebounds away from much larger human beings than himself.
And so far, so good in the first 3 minutes para sa NorthPort, even holding a 1-point lead kontra sa Meralco. Blow-by move coming from Dex Zamora against the bigger cover.
Gonzaga from the outside. Couldn't get the bounce. Parcera para sa rebound. He attacks Sedorifa. Muntikang pamadulas. He kept the pivot down though. And Parcero delivers the point.
Time and again, NorthPort able to get into the gut of the defense.
Sedorifa is wide open. Couldn't send it home, but Batino is there to clean it up.
Second chance, good offensive rebound. Still up 1 ang NorthPort laban sa Meralco.
Revilla trying to get by Batino. Shot clock at 1. Revilla shoots over him. Parcero has the rebound stripped away. Body sprawled on the floor. 5 of the 6 guys touched earth on that rebound play.
That is the value of the basketball in 3x3. Every possession is crucial. Every chance to score and make a defensive stop is vital.
Si Batino lang i-relax eh. Lahat ng 5 umabot sa sahig eh. Zamora trying to get by Batino. Oh, he snuck that one through.
Zamora now with a total of 4 points.
Gonzaga from the outside punches it through. Tabla na naman tayo.
Finally, Tonino nails one.
Webb couldn't get it back. Marquez puts it on the deck. Batino back to Marquez. The 2 bigs going at it.
Actually, mas lamang pa NorthPort sa loob. 7 out of 9 sila. Meralco 5 of 8. Pero ang Meralco meron ng isang 2-point conversion.
Marquez rifles it inside to Batino. That's going to be a 2-point play opportunity para kay Alfred.
That is what we call SKP move by Batino. Sumakay ka pa.
Huwag ka lang malikot.
Huwag ka lang malikot dahil sasabit ka. First stage of the lead para sa Meralco against a hard-fighting unit in NorthPort. There's no surprise so far. We expected NorthPort to really go all out for a win, even if they are already eliminated.
That's how they've been playing on this stage,
Yes.
Coach Ronnie. Just all-out effort from the Batang Pier. You gotta love it. You gotta respect what they are doing there.
That's the smooth operator working hard once again, but Tonino Gonzaga maps the go-ahead point para sa Meralco as he missed the technical free throw.
Holding foul. Whistled here. Might get a little chippy after that sequence kung saan na-technical nga si LA. Kakainitan ng ating mga manlalaro. The very first game of this PBA 3x3 Tuesday. Revilla from deep. Doesn't work.
Good blockout by Marquez because normally LA ang galing mag-track down ng bola ng tira niya at ng tira ng mga kasama niya.
Seduriva is being bothered here by Zamora. Forced to take the 2-pointer, doesn't work, but Marquez keeps possession with the blue shirts. Webb with the activity there, slaps it away. Yan ang Filipino brand of basketball talaga. It doesn't matter kung uusad ka pa o hindi. It is the pride right here, right now of this particular game. Yun ang ilalaban mo.
Unnecessary foul coming from Dexter Marquez, gambling. Trying to take away that basketball from a smaller assignment. Mahirap agawan yung mga gwardiya at yan ang gusto nila. Sumundot ka at mawala ka sa balanse.
Lamang ng isa Meralco, 9-8. Just over 4 remaining in this game. Zamora to Parcero. Marquez giving chase. Parcero with the explosiveness.
Problemado ang Meralco talaga bumantay.
Yun ang isang drawback pagka mas malaki lineup mo, no? Sigurado mas shifty naman yung kalaban.
Uy,
Pero walang pakialam dyan si Joseph.
tawag ko dyan, tak-tak sukat. Parcero shooting the ball really well. Total of 4 points together with Dexter Zamora.
How about NorthPort, though? Back within 1. Marquez sweeps it in.
Good transition execution. Pero isolation ng NorthPort kasi nabibit nila yung kalaban eh.
Zamora gets the basket, may kasama pang foul.
Time and again, Zamora straight to the basket. 5 of 5 si Zamora. 4 of 4 si Parcero. That is how well they have beaten the defense of Meralco so far.
Very nice. Para dito kay Dexter Wilbur Zamora. He's got an opportunity to tie the game once again. He completes it. Tigkalahating kahon ng magkalaban, Meralco and NorthPort with 3:20 remaining in this game. Sedorifa's turnaround is pure.
Not an easy shot to make. Sedorifa's really been scoring well. Para sa Meralco, defensive breakdown.
Zamora couldn't make him pay though. Batino with the board. Gonzaga ng Alabaw.
Wow, they're able to go to his strong side. Erasing the defense of Parcero.
Sinecheck nga ni Parcero kung kompleto pa ang ngipin niya doon.
And again, one of the bigs of Meralco giving up a shooting foul. And right now, meron na silang 5-team fouls. So far, ang perimeter players ng NorthPort using their foot speed and their headiness, their heady plays. Not only to out-quick yung defenders, but to force them to foul.
Eli Revilla of the La Salle basketball stable misses the free throw though. Batino will clear it over to Gonzaga. Sedorifa thought about the handoff, drives closer, turnaround jumper, another one para kay Joseph.
Mahirap ng mga tira ni Joseph Sedorifa.
Parcero inside. Gonzaga with a foul. That's going to be 16 fouls now for the Bolts.
Every possession is a foul given up by Meralco. And even if they are ahead, it puts pressure on their defense, especially with the way NorthPort is penetrating against them. Pwede mo naman kasing i-contest ng hindi pumafoul. Kasi mamaya, bawat foul, dalawang free throws na.
(15-12) is the score. Got a free throw coming up. Para dito kay Parcero. Luke Joshua at the line to try and pull NorthPort within 2.
Nauna pang mag-penalty ang Meralco, no?
Ganda ng release na ito ni Parcero. Now they need a stop. Sedorifa takes it over to the corner. Maikes thought about the deuce, drives closer. Bumitin pa si Dex. Doesn't work. Sedorifa picks it up. Another turnaround para kay Joseph.
Good recovery after that. An almost completed defensive stop courtesy of Joshua Webb.
Webb down low. Now double team. Joshua kicks it out. Parcero from deep. Punches it through.
Sedorifa gambled. And they paid.
NorthPort within 1, 16-15, under 2 remaining in this matchup. Can Meralco stay immaculate or can NorthPort exit with a bang?
Look at that defensive decision coming from Sedorifa. Iniwan mo yung tao mo na shooter, yung 1-point shot, naging 2-point conversion.
Batino down low. Parcero bantay niya. Sedorifa again. Suking-suki sila dito kay Joseph.
Parang Swiss knife si Joseph Sedorifa, no?
Kung ano kailangan, yun ang ibibigay, ano? LA from deep. Couldn't tie it. Nako, nahuli si Webb.
Swerte yon para sa Meralco. Normally, si Joshua ang nasa tamang posisyon sa rebounding. But because he has that really knack for going after those 50-50 balls, na itulak niya si Dodong Sedorifa.
Penalty na rin kasi itong NorthPort, kaya dalawang free throw binigay kay Dong.
91 seconds in this game. Just our first game.
Tatlong abante ng Meralco.
Meralco missed 2 free throws before that conversion ni Sedorifa.
Revilla with some daylight pulls NorthPort within 2. Maikes left alone. Doesn't work. Maikes though tracks down his own board. Kaso hindi siya mahanap ni Batino.
Unforced turnover will always hurt. Not willing to give up that ball early will cost Meralco as they throw the ball away and keep NorthPort alive with only 69 seconds left in this match.
18-16 is our score. Both squads in the penalty. Meralco, abante ng dalawa pero ang possession ay nasa Northport.
Meralco needs a defensive stop. Northport needs a conversion. Either a 1-point or a 2-point basket will do.
On cam tayo, hindi mo napansin.
Ay,
Sa background. Nasa background tayo ng Meralco kanina. Revilla. Looking around, will step back. LA ties the game.
another defensive breakdown para sa Meralco. It was a costly turnover earlier.
Gonzaga gusto mumawi. That puts the Bolts on the hill.
Redeeming himself after a defensive breakdown.
Revilla almost bobbled it. LA against Badino. They go to Webb. Joshua powers up. Northport is within one, but Meralco can win it right here. Uh-oh. That's going to be 2 free throws para kay Tonino.
Let's see if Tonino will be able to close it out after a holding foul was called against LA Revilla.
He's going to be shooting 2 free throws. He can make just one, and it's all over. 32.
Tonino Gonzaga with 2 shots to try and get Meralco to a perfect 3-0 after full play. Misses the first.
Meralco is only 1 of 4 from the line.
Let's see, makes a basket. Tonino Gonzaga.
0 for 2 si Tonino so far. 0 for 3 for Gonzaga, but he cleans up his own miss.
Could have been disastrous for Meralco because Northport was ready to strike back and hit a 2-point shot to complete a turnaround.
Mortal sin to sa larangan ng basketball. Coach Ronnie, ganyan yung mga nagpapaputi ng mga buhok ninyo. Rebound, yung shooter mo ang nakaka-rebound, no?
Matagal.
Sedorifa and the Meralco Bolts will take this one.
Joseph Sedorifa will hit a total of 8 points and grab 2 rebounds. Rebounding battle won by Meralco 13-8. Assist count, Meralco holds a class 3 lead. And eventually it boiled down to the team foul situation ng dalawang teams because that put a lot of pressure on both of these teams to knock in their free throws and convert on last-minute possession.